Buhat kami, sinalansan namin ang mga chair, tables. Ching, 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 ching. We're here in Cadiz. So, ayan for today, close ang aming starboard side. So, ayan, ang pinagawa sa amin ng aming amo or boss, we have to carry all the tables and chairs in one side. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin, baka magba-vacuum or maglilinis, mag-general cleaning or whatsoever. So, we need a teamwork to put on the other side ang mga tables and chairs. So, we need to carry. Oh, if you are girl or boy, you are allowed to carry tables and chairs. But ako, minsan ako mag-carry ng table. Sobrang bigat kasi. But anyway, the boys are gentlemen. So, they said, carry only the chair. So, that's it. So, ayan, ang work namin for today. We are here in Cadiz. So, we are enjoying it. And it's so calm and we check out early. So, that's it. Sa barko, kailangan matibay ka, malakas ka. Whatever na ibigay sa yung task, kailangan kaya mo. Ganon. Kaya magbuhat ka man dyan, kung ano-ano. Sa barko, lahat trabaho. Like and follow for more. Thank you for watching.